family. Amari. Mommy and Amari's here back again with another baking video. What are we baking today, Amari?
Cupcakes.
We're baking cupcakes. And not just any cupcakes.
Chocolate cupcakes.
Oreo cupcakes.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. But this is what we're making today. We have our ingredients that we need out. We have the cupcake mix. We have our icing with the crumbled cookies. What else? We have our measuring cup. We have the oil.
No, I got my measuring cups.
Alright, you got it. I don't want no problem. We got this. And then we have our eggs. So, oh, and of course our bowl got the
And a big old spoon.
and a big old spoon. There we go. So,
And we have those things over there.
right.
We have a lot of stuff.
We got what we need to make cupcakes today.
Yeah.
Would you like to do the honors and pour this inside the bowl for me, sir?
Yeah, so
You gotta get on that chair though.
Yeah, but
You gotta get on the chair and then I'll pull it. Or you were technically right. I had to get out your way first. So I'm gonna get out your way and I would like you to aim this straight into the bowl. I don't want it on the counter. I want it in the bowl. Please do right by me. In the bowl.
This is not heavy now. I listen to you.
Yay!
I listen to you because it's not heavy.
Okay, thank you so much.
That's a lot.
Let me just throw the rest in the garbage. Or not the rest, the bag in the garbage. Okay, cool.
Hey guys.
We got this. Now we need our oil.
I don't do that on this to open the bowl and open it in.
Wait. Let mommy do the honors and then. Oh,
That was easy.
you wait, sir. So it's asking for 1.5, right? Hold on, sir. Please bear with me.
How can I not do that on theirs?
I didn't say you getting on my nerves. I just said bear with me. Amari, do not tilt it.
Okay.
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 And that's good. It's good.
Okay, so.
Yes, you can do the honors.
Some in there.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, now.
We have to stir.
4 eggs.
I'm cracking.
I'm going to crack one and show you. And then you can do the other.
One egg.
That's one.
Then this egg is mine.
Right, here you go. Give it a try.
I'll do this.
Really, Amari? Okay.
Oh, I know.
No. That's it. Because let's try now. I feel like you ain't do it just, so.
No.
Okay. See, the trick is, Amari, you don't want to do what you just did. You want to look. Let me show you one more time. You want to crack the egg on the edge of the counter. So look at mommy. One time. Bam. See that? All right.
Yeah.
We got one more egg to do, and I'm going to give it to you. Do right by this egg. Show me what you got. Oh, my God.
Look at this.
Huh.
That's so cool.
It was better than the first one.
Yeah, that's how he cracked them for breakfast too.
It was better than the first one. Okay. So now that we got the eggs in there, we just need some water. And we're gonna get
Some water. Some water. No, I'm not doing that.
Hold on, sir.
Hold on, loser.
Come on, Lou.
I call myself a loser. So I don't do that one because this is my thing.
All right, go ahead.
This is so cool. I'm mixing up my own food. I'm mixing up my own food. I'm mixing up my own food. You can't see, you can't see, look. You can't tell.
Let mommy get it so I can.
Oh, I'm doing it. See?
Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Let me try.
No.
I know.
No,
I know.
this is-
Sharing is caring. Remember your favorite thing to tell me. Jesus.
That's not my favorite. Just when we do that.
Amari,
That's my favorite thing.
Mommy gotta get it to where we want it.
No, I want to get to what I wanted.
Are we fighting, Amari? All
Mm.
right, here you go. Because I feel like I'm gonna hit you in the head because you're not giving me. I see a lot of batter that needs to be mixed in. You're preventing me to actually mixing it in. So Amari tapping out. Tap out. Tap mommy in.
No.
You gotta tap mommy in. Sharing is caring. I thought we spoke about this.
Yeah, but I need to do some and then
You are, but look at the bottom. You see all the stuff you're not getting. You're not strong enough like me
Oh,
yet.
yeah, there.
This guy, he don't want to share. I thought it's supposed to be a team effort. He don't want to share. Can I get some?
Can you scrape the bottom? You can scrape the bottom, Amari?
He ain't even ready for the bottom. Okay, he getting it. All right, he getting it. All right.
You gotta get the white parts
Mr.
down.
Independent, that's how he likes it. I'm still have to go back over it tomorrow because you're not gonna get it all. Can I get in? Where I fit in?
Okay, give it to mommy. Let her.
Let me tap me in. I'm gonna give it right back. Just tap me in.
No, you have to tap out. I'm tapped in.
I know you tapped in, but let me tap back in, cuz. Tap me in, cuz. Tap me in.
But you have to. No.
Oh, you tap me in. You tap me in, Amari.
No, I tapped you out. No.
Right.
Give me the ball right now. No. Mine.
Okay, I think you're good. Amari, I think you did a good job, though. I was over there hating on the side, but to be honest, I think you mixed. Hold on. Yeah, I think you did a good job getting the bottom. So thank you.
Yay.
All right, Amari. So watch mommy.
Please, don't watch mommy, guys. Don't watch mommy, guys. Don't watch. It's a surprise! It's a surprise, guys! It's a surprise, guys! It's a surprise, guys! Don't see it! Hey, the kids can't see it. It's a surprise.
Amari, allow your dad to do what he's doing.
No.
All right, hold on. I'll let you do the other side. Just let me.
The last one and the bottom was hole.
All right, so you can.
Actually, did not the progress on the other side.
All right, here, and then you can put a little bit more in this one right here.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
Okay, wait. I can scoop it.
Okay, hold on. I just don't want none on my counters. That's what I'm just trying to avoid. There you go.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay, Amari, hold on. I'm guiding you for a reason, sir.
Okay. Hey, can you guard me?
So you're gonna clean up this mess when you make it, then.
Cool. That's so cool. But I can. I'm not making that. I'm not doing that because this is boring.
This is boring.
That was for 1,000 hours.
Amari,
Yes. Yay!
there you go.
Get this closest one. This one.
Good job.
And I'm see. This one will make a ribbon there. Let's get some more in there. But the first one is solid.
Gotta make sure you're actually getting a good amount.
Oh, okay.
It's all about how you scoop it. Hold on, sir. Hold on. I made you do it on your own.
But that's not how I do it. That's how you just pull on one by
Go
do.
ahead.
That's how you pull on. That's the okay. Right now.
I'm talking about somebody prolonging. Boy, if you don't get out of here.
Boy, you better get out of here.
No, you better get out of here. Wait, Amari. You don't know what I'm trying to do. Let go. Thank you.
No, Daddy would go. So he's the one that's cooking the food. Okay.
Okay, the next one I scrape, I'm gonna give it to you, okay?
And this one I scraped, and I'm giving it to you, okay?
Why are you mocking me, you pirate?
No, I'm not a pirate. I'm a kid.
I'm a pirate, I'm a kid.
Because I copied somebody. Because I copied somebody.
Wait, follow where I'm telling you to put it. Put it in this one right here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Amari.
Thank you, Amari. I'm still a gangster, so you can mind me, loser.
Wow.
Hi, you guys. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like. So that's so that looks so bad. So Mama cleaning it up. This one's over there. Thanks, guys. Don't just turn the mic off. Let's move. I'm doing that right now.
Right, Mommy just gonna make sure she just get the, you know,
Knifey!
the access.
Knifey! Wait, let me see.
Give the camera back to Daddy, please.
I just want to show the kids what you're doing. Hi, this kids. The cupcakes and done. Fingers and done. Say hi.
Alright.
Say hi to them.
Thank you. Now, get down.
Wait, let's go. You better get out of here. You better get see you.
So, we're going to put these in the oven, and we're going to set it for 10 minutes.
Don't do that.
I'm going to put it in the oven.
And I want to put it on that mathematics. Hey, Money.
Then we're going to ask Google to set a timer for how many minutes?
10 minutes. Don't ask
You want to ask Google?
Yeah.
Okay, let me turn the mic on. Go
The
ahead.
mic's back on.
Hey, Google. Can I set time for 10 minutes?
Sure, 10 minutes. And that's starting now.
Alrighty, so after we're done, when that goes off, we'll check on the muffins. If it's good, then we'll get to...
No, they're not muffins. Those are cupcakes. Silly.
My bad. Cupcakes, right?
Yeah.
How we gonna check on the cupcakes, not muffins? I don't want no problem. Oh, I didn't even see you guys standing there. So the cupcakes are done. Are you ready to see them, Amari?
Yes, I thought I'm ready. Hey,
Amari,
I
just to
thought
mess
I'm
with
ready.
you ain't to let them know you see me.
Let's just see what's on here.
Leave it alone, man.
But you said a bus bus. I told you there's a bus bus. Oh my God! Don't be doing that, baby.
Boom. Alright, so that's the outcome of the... I was about to say muffin, but I ain't trying to get corrected, so let me just say cupcakes. I don't want no problems. This is the finishing, well, technically not done yet, but this is how it looks after being baked. We're going to let it cool down for a little bit, then we're going to take it out of here and put it in our next container. Then we're going to put the icing on it. So I'm going to go get them, I'll say muffin again. I don't know why I want to call these bad boys muffins so bad. I'm about to get the cupcakes holder, and then
Cupcakes holder.
yes, by the time I'm done, that should be cool. So the next time you see us, we'll be icing some. What are we icing again, Amari?
Cupcakes.
Not muffins?
No, because
Oh, he's about to school me. All right, go ahead.
because muffins like those in the pantry, you can't put stuff like that on muffins.
All right, guys. So
Oh my God.
Amari, I just want to call these muffins so bad, but I know you're gonna check me. The cupcakes are done. Amari, are you ready to icing them?
Yes.
Doesn't it smell so good?
Yeah, it smells
Oh
like
my God.
it smells like a muffin cupcake. But when you eat a muffin cupcake, it tastes so good when you eat a muffin cupcake.
So it's a muffin cupcake.
No, I'm just saying, but in my brain, I'm thinking this is a muffin cupcake, but it's just a cupcake.
Okay, just a cupcake. Okay.
That's rude.
Yeah, I know. Mommy's sorry.
Mommy, I'm sorry. What's inside the basket?
Go ahead, Amari, because I know you gonna do whatever you want to do. It's your world. I just live in it.
I really. Whoa, this is actually cool. Lamaya. Is this actually meant to taste like Lamaya?
Like who?
Lamaya. Like chocolate and white stuff.
Oh, chocolate and vanilla.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be.
No.
Ooh.
I said Lamaya. This one was just Lamaya.
Lamella?
Yeah.
I don't.
No, it's on the front.
You mean funfetti?
No, not from.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho. Let me hear how you say vanilla again.
Lamaya.
Lamella. Ciao. It is done. This is the finishing product of the cupcake. I'm going to move it over
to
the cupcake holder so it can look cute and I can show it off to my IG followers. And then Amari and Daddy will do the honors of taking bite of one of the cupcakes. So.
Mommy, I put them in there.
We're just gonna leave this for Mommy to do, Amari. I don't want you to do too much, if that's okay with you.
I'm not gonna do one. I'm not doing this. Not doing it like this.
It's kind of big, Amari, so I don't want. Okay, hold on. We're gonna end up touching each other anyway. All right, and the 2 is left for you and your father. So here you guys go. Come back at the table.
Yes.
I'll take the camera from your daddy, if you don't mind.
You don't mind. She's mine. Ooh. It smells good. It smells good, but eat all. Eat that.
Alright. So, this is the finishing product. Amari, go ahead, dig in. Tell me what you think.
Okay. It's good.
It's good?